Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money with Userlytics. Let's begin. Now, basically, Userlytics is a platform where you can earn money by participating in usability testing and providing feedback on websites, apps, prototypes, and other digital products. And here's how beginners can start making money with Userlytics. Now, once you are on the homepage, you have an option to click on the free 30-minute demo or click on the get pricing. Now, what I'm gonna do is you can click on get paid to test. All right, and you see, first thing is we need to sign up and make a profile. All right, and create an account on userlytics.com. All I have to do is fill out your profile completely and accurately because this helps in receiving relevant testing opportunities. Now, in the sign up option, make sure you are 16 years old and older, and of course, obviously, you agree to the terms and use. I'm gonna put in my email here right now. Now, after that, you would be able to receive a notification such as this one. A welcome message for your signing up. And then you need to switch over to your email to receive anything, all right? Now, once that, you would be able to receive an email confirming your account. And you can use this link to confirm your account. Please be mindful that you need to have a 24 hours activation. All right, and make sure you receive all emails from the Userlytics official about the test you qualify for, and please add the email address to your contacts and address book. That way, if you need help, you can simply click on the consult with this guide to see how you can add the email address to your address book. Now, when you switch over to the Userlytics, when you go to the products and services right here, go to the users testing, because in this section right here, Userlytics may require you to complete the screening tests, all right? They have the unmoderated sessions wherein participants undertake device tasks outdoors, a moderator, all right? And they also have the moderated sessions wherein a moderator guides participants through tasks, delving into behaviors and pain points. Now, in the device and environment section, make sure you have the necessary device right here, like a computer, smartphone, etc. Because environments, for example, a quiet space, a good internet connection is required for testing. All right. Now, when in terms of they participate in tests, right here, Userlytics will notify you via the email when there are available tests matching your profile. And when you created your profile, you need like a 24-hour activation. That's the window we're in. After that, you would be able to receive testings that you can participate. And obviously, after that, you need to accept the test promptly and respond promptly to invitations and accept tests that interest you. And obviously, all I'm going to do is follow instructions provided in the test, such as navigating through a website. For example, in terms of the prototype testing, you can evaluate earlier versions of a simple product, a website, an app, gathering feedback to refine design, functionality, and user experience before finalizing. In terms of the website usability testing, website usability testing assesses a user experience, functionality, and ease of navigation. So in the past, I have tried to conduct a test. I participated in a survey test on one of the mobile app. In terms of the mobile app testing, it ensures functionality, usability, and guaranteeing a seamless and satisfying user experience. In terms of the multi-channel testing, it evaluates consistency and functionality across various platforms, ensuring user experience across device channels or devices. Now, you see, when you go to the platform itself of user analytics, all right, you can simply unlock insights with the usability testing tools when you click on the Let's Talk. All right, it's a very easy one. All right, you need to choose a topic and create study. All right, for example, you consider your UX testing goals, then create your study with Userlytics Study Builder, choosing from various study types and qualitative or quantitative activities to gather insights. you can simply recruit and conduct study. All right. So you access Userlytics panel of 2 million global participants, which is going to be you if you are tester, and specify demographic criteria or bring your own users. And on number 3 is going to be analyzing the reports. You can use the Userlytics analytics dashboard, which includes tools like highlight reels, transcriptions, AI UX analysis, and sentiment analysis to gain insights into user experience. And on the panel, all right, this is going to be your user testing panel. Find ideal participants for your research. Now, the idea is if you join the Userlytics as the paid tester, you're going to be one of the testing panelists. All right, because you're the one going to be conducting the research and gathering feedback from a specific mobile app, website, on a program. All right, now here finding the perfect participants for your study is very easy. Just define your participants' demographic filters such as their country, age, education and employment, income, and more. Basically, that's how you get paid to test here in User Analytics, and of course begin making money. All right, all I'm gonna do is apply. We have done that, and we're just waiting for a 24 hours activation. And once sign up, make sure to fill out your profile details. Now again, you can simply test and share your insights. You need to answer questions to align with testing opportunities to match your skills, including website usability testing, mobile app testing. Your insights is very important because it helps enhance products and services top tier brands. You receive compensation for each completed test. Easily track your earnings through your test feed with payments processed every 2 weeks via PayPal. So I need you to create your PayPal account if you don't have one. Like for example, you are using Payoneer, Wise. Might be the perfect opportunity for you to create your PayPal account. When you click on the start testing now, all right, of course you need to log in. And we haven't had a chance to activate our account, so we can't go very much further. But when you click on the pricing, this is only for those who want to test their website and mobile app. All right. So basically, best for one-off projects is the $99 per session. You have a minimum purchase of 5 participant sessions. If you are going to be the tester, you will be one of the 5 participant sessions here. This is only for clients who wanted to test their mobile app and website. All right. If you wanted to, of course, go for the enterprise, that's going to be $35 per session with annual plan with volume discounts. And the limitless, you need to talk to a sales professional for that. They also have their premium in advance. You can compare plans as well if you wanted. All right. Now, when you click on here on the live chat support, you might want to ask a simple questions to see if we get an answer. All right. And remember that Userlytics offers a flexible way to earn money by testing digital products from the comfort of your home. Now, and by following these steps and consistently participating in tests, beginners can start making money with Userlytics effectively. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.